Hey YouTube. Today is Tuesday. I didn't get to school today because over at my boyfriend's house. Right now, he went to his aunt's house for today to do something or drop his kids off. I wasn't listening, honestly. I was catching up on my days of the week, so I did not pay attention to anything he said. He said, all I heard was, babe, be back. And he said something else and something else. And I said, okay, yeah, all right, sure, whatever. But if you don't watch it, I think you really should check out Days of the Week. It's pretty amazing. I love all of them so much. It's just so funny. And yeah, So I have a question for you guys. I did have a question. I forgot it. I need to start writing things down because I forget things so easily and so bored. I don't know. If you guys have any questions for me, I'll be happy to answer them in my next video. So yeah. See you later.